Right, y'all jumped in this trade on NCLH. This will serve as part two. Um, let's see, up at 69. We're down money right now. 100 contracts. We are down just a couple of cents, down 3%. Oh, let's see. Still got a lot of room to go on this. I think it's still gonna run. Did 100 contracts on it. It was only 62 cents, so it didn't take up much capital. Let's see. This will serve as a part two. I'd be a doofus or a retard for trading multiple tickers when I already am up. I think we got room now. So let's see if we got some room for it. Let's see. There we go. Still down 4%. It's got to move. Got to move quite a bit, honestly. Yeah, we had the overreaction. I can see the divergence from yesterday. Let's keep drawing it here. 10:15. Yeah, we're in the right play. Now, the real question is the volatility. I don't think the volatility was long enough and legit. So, see if it gets any kind of movement after this ticker. Yeah, I can see the divergence. Might be topping out. Probably got a solid one more candle in this movement. Divergence is legit. The volatility is not. So that's the problem. That's the rule that we broke. Let's see. I'll just continue. I'm already in the trade, so just let it rock. Let's see if we get a little bit more movement. It's sitting very still. Down 3%. It's got to get some movement here. Not a lot of people. It probably doesn't have that much liquidity. Not a lot of people trading it probably. Yeah, still getting less. Down 2%. It's moving. We just gotta leave it be. I think we be patient, leave it be. I think it moves in the right direction. We caught the volatility. Let's draw the. This trade never moves in the direction, or it never has much movement. That's why the contracts are so cheap. But yeah, no volatility at all on this ticker. It needs to be rated. Still down 2%. Yeah, if nobody else believes in it, if it doesn't move, it doesn't matter. Yeah, probably not enough volatility. It's coming in a little bit. It's iSPY green. There we go. Not getting any movement. That's the problem. Did I do? How many contracts did I do? 800. Oh, you know what's crazy? Is this needs to. That's why I looked at that so crazy. Like that needs to be changed. I didn't change the. Yeah, I put right. I didn't change. That's crazy how I caught that. Down 2%. Bulls got to make a movement here. Yeah, we bought 100 contracts, and I only had the trailing stop on for one. I didn't make that adjustment, so I just made that adjustment. So let's see. So we're at 2%. We got less than a minute on this candle here, and that's not a deep pullback. It's not bad looking for the bulls right now. Just a lower high. We gotta get a strong push for sure. Down 2%. Price hasn't really moved much, which lets me believe other people really believe in this. What price did we get in at on this? Got in at a price of 69, so only down maybe 2 cents. It's got to move though. It's really got to move. We got about 20 seconds. Bulls are really sitting there. That's a good thing. Only down 1%. We're moving in the right direction. We get one good pop and we'll be out of this. Let's see what the next candle brings us because this isn't moving at all. Probably not enough liquidity, honestly. That's why it's moving so slow. Yeah, it's time to get out. If we can get a good pop, we're out. Let's see. Let's get a good pop here. It's time to get out for sure. Just got to do some moving. Less than 1%. Almost at break even. It's almost that time. Definitely at a point where it's almost maxed out, probably. 1%. Bulls came through in the end. Just got to sit tight, wait on the plan. We are so close. Not enough volatility on this. This is definitely a trade I should not have traded. Not enough volatility on this play. It's a good pop, but just down 1% here. We're out the Bulls. Probably want to go ahead and set this. When this pops, we definitely want to get out. No hesitation. So whatever, yeah, we're at break even. It's getting a little better here. We just need a strong pop by the Bulls, and we're out. Can they do it? We're close. We're at break even. It's gonna be a tough one to get out. It's not heavily traded. It's barely moving. 2.5 minutes into this candle. Gotta get some movement. If we don't get movement, it means nothing. Getting some movement. It's coming. Come on. 2 minutes. All right, we got some movement. We're break even. A minute and a half. What are we waiting on? This ain't gonna move much. It's moving now. Here we go. Where we at with it? We got a minute left. I think it's time. I think it's go time. I don't think we get much. 100 contracts. Bulls ending it strong. Yeah, I think we got to stick to the rules. We got to get out of there regardless. So it's gonna take us a minute to get out. Let's get the order set here. Like it's starting to turn a little bit. Turned late too, didn't it? Yeah, I think a penny is good, a little risky. We got a little bit of room. It's got to move though. Yeah, we're getting out of the penny profit. It's got to move. It's not moving much. Uh, let's get out of there. I think it's time. It's right on that edge point. Yeah, I think it's time. Let it ride. It's not gonna let me get out by that. It's got to be 60. It's got to be 70. So you can leave it where it is. Yeah, it's not enough movement on this. Um, I'm gonna, the movement is crazy. It's not liquid enough. Let's leave it be. Leave it at 70. See if we can get a penny profit. It's not enough to justify the risk on this trade, honestly. But it's definitely time to kind of take it off. I left it at 70. Kind of getting a little frail up there at the top. Almost want to just take it off and take break even. Not liquid enough. It needs about 8 to 10 cents to kind of justify the profit. I think we can get there, but I got a little bit of room. This is very risky, honestly. Very risky. Very risky play. Very risky play. It's got a little, it's in that gray area where it's got a little bit of room. It's also at that point where it's kind of topping out. We just need half a cent. Come on, get it done. All right, it's at point 70. Now we just got to get now it's just got to get us out of there. If we can get a strong push up and get out of there, we'll be good. We're at that point where we want to get out. All we're gonna do is execute the trade. It's 100 contracts, so it's gonna be tough to get out. But we definitely at that limit order. So at that point 70, it's working. Limit order at point 70. Point 70. We got to get out at this point. The 100 contracts. Somebody else has to get that 100 contracts, or it has to add up enough people to get 100 contracts. So we're up 1%. Wasn't worth the risk, to be honest. Definitely broke the rule of volatility. So right now we're just kind of, I hate to use the word hoping, but we need somebody else to kind of buy these contracts out. It's pushing up at the right time. It's time. It's definitely time to get out. Definitely time to get out. That's a good push. It's at 0.75, 0.705. It's moving really well. Come on. Just need a strong push. We're at 0.71. Now it's definitely got to take them contracts off. We're definitely below the fray here. We're up 4%. Gotta have somebody to buy it. Definitely ready to take it off. All I gotta do is take it at this point. There's a lot of contracts. It's a lot of contracts. So we're in the money for sure. Definitely in the money. We're in the everything should be out of there. Show y'all what I see here. Yeah, definitely in the money. Definitely at the point where we want to take the money or it fades out of there. It's moving pretty well. We just got to get somebody else to buy it. 100 contracts was a lot to ask. We're up 4%, but very risky trade. Not a lot of volatility behind it. Will we get out of there? That's the question. At 100 contracts, will we get out of there? We definitely just got our limit order to take us out. What are we waiting on here? It's got to be enough people that want this contract. We got to get out of there. It's at 72. We just want 70. So it's what we're up 5% almost. Jesus. Take the money and go. It's got to take us out at some point. It's moving. It's definitely time to get out of there. Up 4%. 100 contracts. Might have bought too many contracts on this. Doesn't matter if you make the right move if nobody else is gonna buy it and get it out of there though. That's the point. Small stock like this. I almost won 1,000 too. That's what was so crazy. I almost bought 1,000. I'm just curious to see if I get out at this point. It's about to start turning. It's gotta get me out of there. Gotta get me out of there. Yeah, it's falling. Yeah, we're supposed to be out of this. Mm. That's the frustrating part. Somebody has to be able to buy the contracts you want to sell. We bought too many. Looks like. Let me see if I can do 25 at a time. Let's leave it be. I was gonna try to piece them off 25 at a time. So I'll leave it be. It's up. Shit, we're up 6% right now. Everything is moving. Everything is moving. My God. It says 74 cent. We only want 70. It should definitely be able to take us out by now. We're up 7%. My God. In the right move. Gotta get out in time though. How long is it gonna take to get us out of there? Finally. My God. That had me so worried. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's a lot. That was a lot. That was a lot. And then they still only gave us 70. That's what's so crazy about it. They only gave us 70. So we made profit. Out of all that move, they only gave us the 1 cent we asked for. So they gave us the profit on that. So we profited $100. But it was up like 4 cent. We were up like $500. So I'll take it. I don't know if it was really worth it, but um yeah, it's a good day. 2 for 2. That one was a little more risky than the other ones, but um yeah, man. Another part two, so I'll let y'all have it for today. I'm done. That trade wasn't even much percent at all. I mean, point. Yeah, that was just a 1% trade, and we were up 7%, but they only gave us the penny we asked for. That's the thing about trading. So um, we probably should have not had as big of contract size that we had. It's fine. We got out. We were able to kind of manage the risk and get out of there. But the lesson in that one is don't trade so big, and then yeah, don't trade so big. Be able to get in and out. But we still had a great trading day, so I'm good with that. Broke a rule on the volatility on this trade, so I would not advise doing a trade like this, so heavy, so big, and then breaking a whole lot of rules. So I will see y'all next time. Y'all be easy. 2 for 2. It's a good trading day.